Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some more wonderful information. Today we're not going to tell you what to do, we're going to tell you what not to do. Okay, everybody washes dishes, some by hand, some by dishwasher. Now dishwasher detergent and dishwashing detergent, hand dishwasher, are completely different products. Okay, your Cascade, your all that kind of stuff, that is specially made for dishwashers. You don't use that when you're washing dishes by hand. And the same token, you don't want to take your Dawn dishwasher detergent or dishwashing detergent and use it in your dishwasher. There is a very good reason why. We're going to show you here in a couple minutes. So first of all, we're going to pretend this is loaded. We're going to pretend. Okay, I'm going to take my Dawn hand washing detergent or soap, and we're going to fill it up. Okay. Oh, that looks about right. Okay, now she's full. Okay. I'm going to close my lid. And I'm going to start my dishwasher. Okay, I'm going to pick a normal cycle. We're going to take the heat dry off, and then we're going to get started. Okay, the biggest reason is dishwasher detergent does not suds and foam a lot. It's meant not to. Your hand soap that you use in your dishwasher sink, that is meant, doesn't have the anti-foaming agent that the dishwasher detergent does. You'll see what I mean in a few minutes. We're gonna let this thing run. You can already see water starting to build up. Okay, that's coming from under here. That's foam. That is bubbles from the thing. Now, we could do this all day. We're probably not going to, but I'm gonna open this up and show you what it looks like now. That's what it looks like. Okay, that ain't going away. Okay. And what happens is when you drain it, and I'll show you new. Right now I'm going to drain the unit and get all the water. Oh my gosh, look what just happened. When you open the door, it makes a serious mess. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna drain the unit, basically end the cycle, and we're gonna see how much of this actually gets taken out. Okay, so if I use my thing, hold here 3 seconds to cancel. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. Okay, now I'm gonna eject in water. So now the machine is over and stopped. That's what you're left with. You have to clean the machine out. If you don't clean the machine out before you can take all the bubbles out you want, it's still, they're in there, that's going to come back. You're lucky if this is all that happens to you, but it can be much, much worse, so just be careful. Don't do it. If you don't have dishwasher detergent, don't do them, okay? The only way to properly clean your is either with a good dishwasher cleaner or vegetable oil. Vegetable oil will cut through the bubbles and the suds and get it all gone, and then you do a wash, or just basically an empty cycle, run it. It will take care of the problem for you. But that's what happens, and we still haven't got to the main load yet, because if you look at this, we haven't even got to this yet, and that's still full of suds. So imagine what happens if that now drops in there. You've got suds galore. So don't use hand dishwashing detergent in your dishwasher. You're gonna pay me probably $200 to come out and clean it for you. Hopefully nothing gets broken, doesn't go into air codes or anything like that. You don't want to do it. Stick with only dishwasher detergent only, okay? Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and like this YouTube channel. Come back for some more wonderful information. Have a good day.